Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about how you can disable and enable the keyboard sound and vibration in your device Samsung Galaxy A53 and Galaxy A53 5G. Before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get new videos. Now let's move to the topic. If you want to disable or enable the keyboard sound and vibrations on touch, you can do this by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can enable or disable the keyboard sound and vibration in your device.